Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone in your post on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. First, you'll have to create a post. In order to do so, click on What's on Your Mind option. Now type something. After that, you'll have to type @sign. Here, you'll have to select the person that you wanna tag. Then you can customize your post as you like. Click on the post button in the top right corner in order to share your post. And that is how you can tag someone in your post on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.